Come with me as we go to celebrate the American independence. America yafuna obutwaze mu mwaka gwa 1776 on July 4th. Era buli July 4th, there are always celebrations for the independence. This independence yabadde ya 248. So as you can see, abantu bakungana, different sports, people bring their artworks, nga bolaba waneno. Naitideko waneno ku artwork waba China. Yeah, they had some beautiful art pieces, ornaments, jewelry, woodwork, engraving, all that stuff. Byabaddewo nga birungi nnyo, like kyampaddemu that feeling of Africa, nga bw'ogenda ku National Theatre nosangayo ebintu bye bakoze, all that stuff. Yeah, nasanze wano obusota bwe bakola mu mubaawo era bwe batokeetegereza nnyo olina akasanga nga kali wansi, like mu busubi ayinza olowooza gwa ddala. Yeah, babadde ne a lot of stuff. Wabeerawo different concerts, mubeeramu stages nga 3 ze bateekawo. Abantu batuula ne bawuliriza to some kind of music. Their music is boring, si bibiri ebyaffe ebya vibe. Jefune John Black ajja tukubemu awo, or you get some performers. Their performances, it's just like low-key. Si byakucamuka nnyo ng'ebyaffe eby'Abafirika. Yeah, so this place is next to the waterfront in wayitayo ku Point Ruston. Nga bw'olaba akazimba ako twasanze kaggale leero, but sometimes ntera ogendawo nga waggule bakarenovating amaato we gadookingiranga edda, but they renovated it, so still some boats come and dock from there. As you can see, ekintu ky'oyagala okusembayo kozesa are those honey pots. Abamu babuyita honey pots, honey buckets. Yeah, weewalanga nnyo ogenda mu kifo ekikuŋŋaaniddemu abantu n'okozesa those stationary latrines. Kitegeera. It's not good at all. Yeah, engeri gakozesa abantu bangi. Kati waliwo n'eryato linene liyitibwa Point Ruston, kuliko restaurant. It's used for people to tour, okwetoloola omwalo ogwo gwonna nga bw'ogulaba. Yeah, it's so beautiful, like mu summer wabeera walabika bulungi nnyo. You come and see the breeze, n'otunula ne balaba ku mazzi. It's just like relaxing, it's just like therapy. Nga bw'olaba wanene abantu batudde bajjirawo ddala nnyo bangi. Yeah, these apartments bazizimbe no wansi ku waterfront ya Point Ruston. Ziyina view ey'amazzi ennungi nnyo. Era nga za bay. Having an apartment or condo there, believe me, it's expensive because of the view. Nga bw'olabye ddala nti gali ddala ku mazzi. Ziri ku mazzi, ziri well furnished. They're just like on point. Yeah. I had to head in the front. Now nabadde nkyalaga like the structure of these apartments. Nungi nnyo. Like owning an apartment there, it's just different. Yeah. Normally abantu bajja nga bw'olaba Point Ruston erina some sport abaana bye batera okuzannyira, bajja ne bazannya ne beesuubamu awo nga abantu bwe bayita kasana. There is this place they made. Abaana bagira amazzi ne bagasumulula, abaana ne bazannyira mu mazzi. It's just dedicated for that. Yeah, kuliko artwork wansi okwo, like you can see the fish nga abantu we batuula waneeno. So this is just like the main center oba point, oba tugiyite like the point where people like come, sit. Era nga bw'olaba wansi there is different artwork gwe bakola wansi awo to beautify the place, okulabika obulungi. Sometimes people skate, sometimes people play games around here. Nenga walungi nnyo, as you can see abantu badde batandise okuwera nga abantu balesa obutebe bwabwe, abalala badde bazedda. The worst thing you can do is coming here late. Bono ogenda mu kitunga kino, like since in America almost everyone drives, buli golabaawo batono nnyo ababeera baze in groups. Buli muntu aba yazze avuga. Parking was insane. Okufunawo parking nga kiba kizibu nnyo. There were a lot of different food cuisines, Chinese food, Mexican food. Bantu bangi abalese their art pieces, okukola ki okutunda, because they use this as an opportunity. Like, people come around baba bagala bafune good sales for their items. Kuba abazungu, like, these guys take long to come together, socialize, and such events bring them together. Yeah. Kata abantu batebaleeta ebintu byabwe ne babitundirawo. As you can see, I'm going through. Nabadde ngenda ku stage. Zibeeramu stage nga 2-3, but wabeerawo main stage. Ebeera eri maaso ebeerako performances ennungi for the day. Yeah. As you can see, wabeerawo lines nga mpanvu for the food. But normally, if I'm to go for such functions, I eat before I get to the function, because I don't want to be in such a line. Kurao mulaini nga nize ekyokulya. Yeah, it's really like frustrating. Nayenga, it's good food. It's good food, as you can see. Nabadde to some main area, like ewali ekinyusi, like the main spot. Yeah, waliwo like camping sites. Abagala otekawo bu tent, abaleese obutebe, abakola barbecue, everything. Yeah, I had to go up so that I could get a good view ey'ekifo bulungi, and it's really, really beautiful okubeeramu yo sport ng'olaba eri wansi amazzi, teri mpewo. You know, summer is like, omusana bwe gujja, it's like it just hits different. Engeri gye tubeeramu mpewo for a long time in Washington, tubeeramu mpewo for almost 6 months. Twambala sweaters, you put on a hoodie, you put on a coat. So when the sun comes out, we just have to enjoy it. Nga bw'olabawo ye stage yabadde main, that's the main stage. Nga wano abantu batula eno waggulu, then ne bafuna that experience. Ne kaview k'amazzi nga bw'okalaba. Yeah. Olusozi lirwe mulengera, that's called Mountain Rainier. I'll do a video ya tourism. Nja kugendayo sometime nkole video ya Mountain Rainier. Mountain Rainier ye main tourist attraction gye tulina mu Washington. Era ne wetegereza number plates za Washington, it's Mountain Rainier in the background of a number plate. Yeah. Nja kolayo video, ngendeyo nkole tourism video, tulabe like, and we go tour it. Yeah. It really looks good, like omusana guvuddeyo, but during spring, fall and winter, kiba kizibu nnyo giraba ngeri gyebeera ekutte nnyo snow, and it's not like really visible. N'olufu lubeera lugibisse sometimes. Nenga, people had come, people turned out. There are 2 spots to find a lot of people during the 4th of July. While we went to Point Ruston, and then the other one is called Chambers Bay. But I decided and went with Point Ruston. Kuba, you know, the turn-up is always crazy and insane. Yeah, nobody wade butandise okukwata, butandise okuziba. We are waiting for the fireworks. Obwo bwato bw'olaba ku mazzi, those people are not sailing. Kwabaddeko ba divers just in case there is a problem. Agama mato gabaddeko bagundi ba fireworks planters bagenda ne baziteeka mu mazzi wansi, ne bazikubira mu mazzi. Kuba nno ze bakozesa ziba z'amaanyi. They can't put them on the ground. Yeah. People were having a good time, eating good food, enjoying, having those good conversations, and just chilling. Yeah. Saawa zaatuse ne ziwera nnya, fireworks zatandise saawa nnya. Ne zitandika, there was screaming all over the place. People were celebrating, everyone saying happy 4th. Everyone was happy, yeah, to celebrate the independence of USA. It's a culture in all states. Nti bakuba fireworks. Actually, abantu bangi bagula, like people that don't get to come to such spots ewali fireworks ennungi bweziti, they buy their own fireworks. Ne bazikubira in their neighborhoods. Aba Mexico business yotunda fireworks bagyefuga, era bafuna ebibangirizi nga bw'olaba ekisaawe, ne bateekawo tents, ne bateekawo spots ezenjawulo bwe batundira fireworks. Yeah, but there are different kinds of fireworks. Kati ayagala yagula. Yeah. Wadde ezo zamaze ne ziggwa, but in all the neighborhoods, in all the society buli muntu yabadde bakubye fireworks until like 4 a.m. Yeah, and they are really loud, and kiba kizibu nnyo okwebaka on the 4th, but it's really fun and nice to watch. Yeah, kyabadde kika nnyo kyabadde mostive ng'enjogera ennaku zino bwegamba. It was really fun to watch and to see, like, to celebrate the 248th independence of America. Yeah, as you can see, Katolina Jolengero Obutono, those were fireworks in the neighborhoods, but this was the main spot because the whatever plantings they want simazi by specialized people that do that. Yeah, most of it was that. It was really fun to celebrate the independence of the USA, and expect such videos and more on my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification button. God bless America.